everyone, and welcome to another video, probably a last one from my 2020 Ram Laramie. Unfortunately, time has come for this truck to go. I managed to put 31,000 miles on it, and I want to give you my final thoughts on this truck before I finally gonna let it go tomorrow. I already made a deal with a dealership tomorrow. I don't know if you have watched my other video. The first appraisal was $36,000, and I know that wasn't enough, so I shopped around. I contact different dealership here and there, and I come to the agreement $40,000. I'm gonna let it go, which is probably could be a little bit better, but I don't care so much, because at $40,000 I'm gonna be still little over $3,000 in surplus than what I pay for it. So I'm happy. I don't care. I don't like the struggle. I'm gonna take it in tomorrow to the dealer. I'm gonna give them the keys and the title. They'll hand me over the check, and I'll be done with it. But before I let it go, I thought that was a good idea to make one more little final video for this truck, and let you guys know what I think about, what was my experience with it and whatnot. But yeah, this truck has been a totally solid rig. I have it for 3 years right now. As a matter of fact, this month it makes 3 years exactly, and I've managed to put, like I said, 31,000 miles. I had a couple of about 3 long trips with it. One trip was from here, from Michigan down to Florida, Tampa, and another 2 trips was from Detroit to Chicago and back and whatnot. And this truck is a dream cruiser on a freeway, guys. As you can see right now, we are cruising close to 80 miles an hour. Super quiet in here, super smooth, super enjoyable experience to take this truck on a long trip. And last trip that I made from here to Chicago and back, this truck returned amazing, close to 25 miles to the gallon. I'm gonna put the video up there in the corner. You guys can check it out if you want. But yeah, has been a solid trick. I don't have very much negative to say. Look at this lunatic asshole. I'm doing 80 miles an hour. What the hell is wrong with you? Look at him going off-road and everything. Anyways, like I said, has been total solid rig, 0 problems. All I've did for this truck for these past 3 years is put in a gasoline. I've been running it on a 87 octane most of the time, 99.9% of the time, and it has been returning decent gas mileage. Has been serving me very well. I have, like I said, 0 problem, just oil changes and gasoline I have put in it. The stock tires at 31,000 miles, they are getting down. Every dealer that I took it in, they take a look at them and says, I'm gonna have to put a new tires. They're getting down, they're on a tread. But other than that, guys, I have 0 complaint. This truck has been very solid, and I tell you the truth, I have thought about just keeping this truck and leasing my new one, just in case I don't like the GMC that I have coming. But I really do dig this truck. I mean, it's loaded. It's not a level 2, I think it's a level 1 Laramie, but still got all the features that I need in this truck. Is just beautiful, nicely equipped a truck, and has been pleasure owning it, tell you the truth, for 3 years, and went by so fast. I enjoyed the hell out of it. I have zero problems with it, and I don't have much. I mean, I like to find something to criticize for something, but I am very much struggling with that, because there is not very much bad things to say about this truck, guys. Be totally honest with you. I mean, even from a driving perspective, this truck drives like a dreamliner out on the street. It's very smooth, very quiet, transmission shifts seamlessly, the motor is so smooth and quiet, refined. I mean, it's a beautiful rig. I have zero complaints. I'm struggling to find any complaint, guys, to complain about this truck. I'm really having a hard time finding something to complain about, because there is not much to complain about. It looks nice. Everything is nice on this truck. The wheels looking good. The body panels outside, they put this truck together very nicely. There is nothing I can find to complain about. Everything is solid, has been a solid rig. So if you're looking for a daily driver truck, I am definitely encouraging you to go out and check out the Ram trucks. Even although you might be a Chevy guy or a Ford guy, just give them a shot. You'll be pleasantly surprised how nice this truck is, guys. I'm really telling you that this truck has been very solid, and I'm gonna miss it. And I'm still, even although I made a promise tomorrow that I'm going to take it in the dealer and get rid of it, I'm still gonna split 60% of my mind saying to go in and give it away. 40% says just keep it, it's paid for. I was thinking about at one point just to put a leveling kit, little bigger tires, loud up the exhaust and keep it for a toy, you know. But I'm gonna have a brand new GMC truck. I don't know if it's a good idea to keep two trucks at home. Just gonna take up my space. I barely put a 10,000 miles per year on my vehicles anyways, so I'm gonna have to let it go, I think. But has been very solid, nice truck. So there you guys have it. Highly recommended. Ram, I know previously, long time ago, they have a quality issues, bad transmissions, but that was then. This is now. Ram trucks are up in their game. They are close to the top, if not on the top. Zero issues, excellent 8-speed ZF transmission. This Hemi has been bulletproof, especially for me, guys. Some of you older subscribers know that I've been driving these Chrysler Hemi vehicles for better part of the, I would say, past 14 years. I have all kinds of them. I have 6.4s, 5.7s. Look at that hot rod. I have all types of Hemi. Some of them I've been taking on a trek, beat the living crap out of them. Some of them, they were just daily drivers. They always perform like a top. I have zero issue with every Chrysler product that I have in past 14 years, and I had many of them. Well, that's my wrap on this video, guys. Thank you very much for listening. I will not be editing this video at all. You're gonna see it in a raw footage, just like it was. I have nothing to hide. This truck has been monstrously good, very enjoyable rig to drive, and I gotta tell you, I will miss it. Now, I don't know how fast my GMC gonna make me forget about this truck. That GMC is also a nice truck, but I haven't owned one. I haven't even drove one, tell you the truth. So I have no idea what to expect for it, other apart from that truck being very nice looking. So stay tuned on this channel. You're gonna see my new truck pretty soon, and hopefully I'm gonna catch you up on the next one. Thank you very much for listening, guys. I will see you soon with another video. Oh, look at that, one more hot rod. It's a 1970 Camaro Z28. That was a nice car. Have a good one.